Hello and welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. I have to apologize in advance, but my voice is a little bit shot. Spent a little bit too much time in my last video and all that jeepney and bus exhaust pollution, so my voice is kind of shot because of that. But I am here in Manila, Makati to be exact. This is Greenbelt. Greenbelt is an Ayala mall. It is probably the nicest mall in the country. They have some of the fanciest stores here. They have Cartier, Gucci, stores like that you would normally find in Singapore, Hong Kong, etc., etc. So we're just going to take a walk around. Wanted to kind of show you the grounds of the mall, the outdoor. There's a lot of green space. There's a reason why they call this Greenbelt. So, so we're in the middle of Metro Manila. Usually, Metro Manila is a very, very busy place. More so than Cebu, which makes sense. Today is a really nice day. Not many clouds in the sky. Not too hot. At least not yet. So Greenbelt is divided into different parts. There's Greenbelt. Over there is Greenbelt 4. There's Greenbelts 1, I believe, through 7. Part of it is a mall. Part of it is call centers. There are some condos around here, so it's not bad. Not bad. I like it. I like it a lot. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. The malls here all do have security at the entrances. Sometimes they'll want to check your bags. Lately, because of the virus, like when I went to SM, they did a temperature check on everybody entering the mall. Which, if you know anything about this coronavirus, people may not get fevers right away. So it's kind of a pointless activity, but it is what it is. So in Greenbelt, they do have a lot of restaurants. People don't really want to sit outside during the day, so at nighttime, things really get going. So the thing about this area, just like with IT Park, just like with Iloilo Business Park, this area used to be an airport. I believe Ayala Avenue, which is near here, used to be the runway for the old airport. So right here in the middle of the mall, they have a chapel. It's Sunday morning, so it's going full blast. Oh, they're opening a Shake Shack here soon. I believe Shake Shack originated in New York about a decade ago. So, not bad. So this is Greenbelt 5. which is basically another building. Oh wow. Look at this. You New Yorkers know why I am excited right now. Take a look here. Nathan's Famous. Let's go down there. I want to check that out. For you guys who don't know me, I grew up in New York, in Brooklyn. I grew up several blocks from the original Nathan's in Coney Island. So I heard a rumor that there were some Nathans here in the Philippines, but here it is. Let's check it out. I mean, of course, it's not going to be like the one. It's not going to be like the one in Coney Island, but it should be pretty close. Let's check it out. Price chart. It's about 50 pesos to the dollar. So a sauerkraut dog is about $2. Chili dog, $2. They got their famous fries. 90 pesos is about $2. So yeah, later on I'm gonna have to eat here. Check it out. I'm excited about that. Hot dogs in the Philippines are not the best. They're okay, but I kind of miss having a 100% all beef hot dog. Yep. So here's a sign. If we go straight, we'll go towards Greenbelt 2 and 3. Greenbelt 1's to the right. Greenbelt 4, where we just was, is to the left. Up above you see some condos. They're gonna be out of most people's price range. I mean, this is probably one of the premier areas of Metro Manila, so you gotta have some bucks to live here. It's probably, price wise, the rents are not going to be much different than the States at all. Maybe a little bit cheaper, but not by much. I noticed they're doing a lot of renovations since the last time I was here. I have not been here in several years, so there's a lot of things that are different. So this is Greenbelt 3. Up above are some cinemas. I've never used the cinemas here. There are some really nice hotels around here, obviously. There is a Hard Rock Cafe close to here. I might get that in a future video. I'm gonna do a video outside of Greenbelt, kind of walking around here in Makati. There's not many people here now, but again, this is more an evening type of place. People just don't like hanging out in the heat so much. Even your local Filipinos, they don't take the heat as much as you would think. Here's another restaurant. Again, 50 pesos to the dollar. You can do your own calculations. These types of restaurants here are more to your fine dining deals, not your typical Filipino restaurants. So as you can see, they're doing a lot of renovations here. Greenbelt is kind of an older mall, one of the first nice malls in Metro Manila. So, all right, so that's just a general overview of Greenbelt. I don't need to go inside the mall. It's stores you guys have all seen before. But what makes it special is the greenery. So, you know, most people around here, they use taxis. So there's the taxi stand. Up there's the Landmark, which is the department store. I'll try to cover that in a future video. So anyways, for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason, and I will see you guys around next time.